Hello my friends, it's Odette here. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. On top of which, I really hope you guys are trying really hard to stay safe from this coronavirus. Please guys, try and stay as safe as you can, and make sure every time you touch something you wash those hands, because this coronavirus has hit our world really hard. And again, please try as hard as you can to protect yourselves. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the St. Paddy's Day inspired look. It's been a trend on YouTube, and this video today is inspired by Simply Demi. I watched her video, it was so beautiful, and I love the beautiful head tie. She did such a fantastic job with her in St. Paddy's Day look, and it's been inspired by her. And so I'm going to be revisiting my Morphe palette. This is a 35B color burst. I love this palette, and this is it right here. I mean, what I usually do when the names are actually on the plastic, I just put a little tape right here, so then you know exactly which color you're using, so it's really easy to see. So before I get started, this is my On The Go Defense Against Pollution. This is my second bottle, and I got this from Marks and Spencer because with this virus, I am trying to protect my skin as much as possible. So I spray this on my face every morning before I leave the house. And although I'm going to be working from home now until further notice, because no need to get into an office right now for anybody. So let's just spray this on my face right now. This is a wonderful mist. Again, it's called the Formula Urban Shield Skin Defense Mist, clinically proven to shield your skin against pollution. So I tend to spray this on my face every morning. Just spray it on, and it smells wonderful. So we're just gonna give that a second to just dry down a minute. And I'm trying really hard not to put my hands in my face unless my hands are really clean, because I have been in the medical field for such a long time and I'm so used to hand washing, which is really important to me. So this is nicely dried down. So I'm just going to go in now with my color corrector, if I can find it. Just give me a moment, and it's right here. This is the Peach Lustre from MAC. And I'm going to put a little bit of this just in spots where I need it the most. And then we're just going to get right into the eye makeup. Going to be using a brush, and we are going to blend this out. I have been watching so many funny videos of this coronavirus. Why are people stockpiling toilet paper? Can somebody tell me that? What's the deal with the toilet paper and the pasta? What's the deal? I mean, listen, if I have to stockpile anything, I would stockpile newspapers. Back in the days when you didn't have toilet paper, you were just using newspapers and banana leaves. I would be stockpiling all those things, not toilet paper. I did my online grocery shopping the other day, and I said to the delivery guy, I said, I've got toilet paper. He goes, yeah, you got two. You got 2 of 12. I was like, what? I'm shocked, because every time I try to do my grocery shopping online, nothing's available, but I was surprised to get all of my groceries the other day. It's just unbelievable, but I'm not really panicking or anything. I am just taking it one step at a time. So the face is already prepped. Peach Lustre from MAC. Again, everything is going to be like everything is going to be listed below for you guys. So let's just get into the eyes right now. Clean blender brush. This is my 35B color burst, and I'm going to be using, let's do something for my transition. Let's go in with Heat, and Heat is a soft pinky color right there. If you do have this palette, and I'm sure you do, you should know exactly what I'm talking about. So we're just going to use this as a transition, and we're going to blend that out right now. Alrighty, I'm going to go in with Pum Pum next, which is a deeper pink. We are doing a green look, but I'm just trying to build right now. It's called Pum Pum again, and this is going in the crease right there. And I did go in with my Milani eyeshadow primer, just in case you're wondering. I am taking a clean blender brush and we are going to start to build that green right now. Let's do, we are going to do apple cider. Let's do apple cider in the crease right now, just about there. Okay, so we are going to be going in deep now, and let's go in with Earthy, which is a very deep green, same brush, which is right here. It's in the green zone, I should say. And we are just going to start to make this green a little deeper. Okay, and so we are going to go a lot deeper now with Forest. So let's just take that deep green to the bottom, and we are just going to make that as green as we can. Just right to the bottom here. Now I'm just going to take another brush, a clean brush, and I just want to blend out all the harsh edges right now. So I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer, and I'm going to be holding a very small brush in my hand right now. This goes on the lid just a little bit, and we're just going to blend that out and right over the lid. And I'm going to be taking Moss Boss, which is the shimmer green, and this just goes on the lid. So I'm taking a clean brush now, and I'm going in with the black color, which is called Pebble, and just some softness, not some softness, but some soft smokiness just in the corner, right there. So I'm just going to clean up my corners right now, and then I'm going to go in with some lashes. And this is one of the Oscar Charles brushes that I got from Amazon. These brushes are really nice. I'll link that in the description for you. Going in now with black eyeliner. This is from Revolution. And we're just going to line the corners. I just did a little wing thingy right there, and we're just going to see if we can make it look good on this side as well. It's just like doing your eyebrows. One always looks good and the other one looks like crap. It's the same thing with my wing eyeliner. One always looks better than the other, but we're just gonna wing it. No pun intended. So I do have my lashes here from Benefit. Let me get these on off camera, and I'll be back in 1 second. So the lashes are on, and again, these ones are from Benefit. This is the Pinup Lash, okay? That's going to be linked below for you guys. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take a little brush, and I'm just going to put some of that green and bring that down into the corner of my eyes. That's the I'll tell you in 2 seconds, the Moss Boss, and I'm just going to bring that right here in the corner. Alright, let me just go in with the Revolution palette, and I'm just going to take that brown color, and the name of the colors is not on here, but it's in the corner right there, and I just want to even up this corner in my eyes, just by my nose, just to see if I can kind of give my nose a little shape, if that makes any sense. Okay, back to the 35B Color Burst palette. I am going to take a Lemonade, and I'm going to put a little bit of that just under the brows, but not too much, because I don't want it to be too bright. Just right there. I do have a green eyeliner here, and this is from Marcelle. I don't think this is available here in the UK. I had this pencil since I was living in Canada, and there it be. It still works. So I'm going to put this in the waterline. Okay, so far this eye is coming along. So the face is already prepped with the Peach Lustre from MAC. So I'm going to take this beauty blender, and I've already sprayed it a little bit with my Morphe setting mist, because I want it to be not damp, but just a little bit wet when I'm putting on my foundation. I'm just going to tap it off a little bit on this piece of paper towel. This is my foundation from Mercier, and this is in Peacan. So we are just going to put a little bit on, and we are just going to start blending this out. I am now going in with the concealer from L'Oreal Paris. This is in Golden Honey. Let's blend this out. You know what? I'm going to use my Sacha ButterCup powder today. I haven't used this in ages, so we are going to do that today. I am going to use the same sponge that I put my foundation on with, but I'm just going to turn it around to the other side, and we're just going to put this on. So I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, we are gonna go in with Bobbi Brown number 4 powder. You know, guys, I don't really have a lot of face powders. I really don't. I have to invest in some more powders. See that one? It's already down to the pan, but I'm not gonna give up until this powder is finished. Let's go in with a powder brush. This is Pour Me by Lyric, and we're just going to powder the face. So I think that's all the powder I need. I think so. What do you guys think? Let's work on them lips right now. This is my lip balm from Rituals. I showed you guys this before. So we're gonna put this on. And in the meantime, I have no idea which lipstick to put on right now. No clue. I'm just trying to find my lip liner. This is from Morphe. This is called Clingy. And I think I need to sharpen this a bit. I've got my Anastasia Beverly Hills sharpener right there. Let's go line this lips, shall we, guys? So I'm going to go in with this lipstick from Maybelline. It's number 205, nearly there. This is a nude lipstick. It's kind of pinky nude. And I'm going to go back to my Morphe palette. And this color that's called Moss Boss, I'm going to take a little brush and put a little bit of this on the lips and see how that's going to look. So this gives me a little bit of something. I have no idea. This is the Doris lip liner. I think this is called Blackberry. So I'm just going to line the outskirts of my lips right now. Not bad. So blush would be the Ultra Glow Highlight Powder. This is only £3 from Primark. And we're just going to put a little bit of something just right there. Not too much. All right, so let's finish this face up, shall we? This hair is from Wiget.co.uk. It was much longer than this, but then I cut it. This is my Fenty Beauty Who Needs Clothes. Who needs clothes? Let's put a little bit of this on, shall we, guys? Just about there. What do you think? What do you guys think so far of this look? And this is my hairspray from Herbal Essence. This is the Hair and Oil Blend Argan and Aloe. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this on. Oh my God, it smells so nice. Ah, it smells wonderful. This is my Collection Pressed Powder. And just in case you have any, any shine on your face that you think you may want to remove, maybe on the tip of your nose, this powder is perfect, and it's not going to interrupt your makeup at all. It's just going to remove any shine from your face, from your T-zone if you wish. And this is from the Collections brand. So everything that I use on my face is going to be linked below for you guys. So this is the finished look of the makeup, guys. What do you think of this look? What do you think? I like the way this has turned out. So happy St. Paddy's Day, by the way, to you guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Hope you guys have a fabulous day today. The makeup didn't turn out to be too bad. I love the way this is looking, the green eyes and the nudish lips. And I'm so happy that I didn't go in with anything red or pink. I don't have any green lipsticks, but I love the way this has turned out. So everything that I use on my face is going to be linked below for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on something. This is my look, over 50. I am over 50, guys. Do you imagine? Really, I am. Yes, this is a beautiful, simple look. Love it. So thank you guys so much for spending this time with me today during this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Again, everything is going to be listed below for you guys. And my name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles. Bye.